Hey guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony X. Oh, how are you guys doing today? Okay, so I do want to start off by saying if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Michelle. We would love to have you part of our family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell and you'll get notified for future videos. This is a new year, 2022. Everything seems so like, you know, fresh, and I'm ready to start the year off. So I have a new schedule. So basically what my plans are for my channel, I will be posting weekly videos, but I'm not going to put like a day or a time or anything on it. But you will have like, I don't know, 3 to 4 or 5 videos a week from me. I don't want to put a label on it, but you will get a few videos from me every week. They're not going to be set days anymore. I just feel more free doing it that way, and that's the way I want to do my channel. So just make sure to be subscribed. That way you'll know when I post. And yeah, and then also I decided to do my Shop My Stash this year. Little different. I'm going to tweak it a little different. And instead of doing it every week, we're probably going to do it once or twice a month whenever I feel like I want to change up my makeup. And doing that, I feel like also is going to be better for you guys because the giveaways will be better. You know what I mean? They won't just be samples. They will be actual giveaways. So look forward to that. Like I said, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. But I am going to start off by showing you guys what I have pulled for my project pan. So that's today's video. I hope you're stoked like me. And we're just going to dive into it. So like I said, my goal honestly is to do finish 22 makeup items by the end of the year and show you guys, look, I finished 22, woohoo. Some of them may be mini, some of them already may be like halfway through. That doesn't matter. And then if I finish a product for my, you know, showing you guys, I'm definitely going to recycle different ones in because I want to finish as many as possible. And like I said, that includes mascaras and all the good stuff. But let's go ahead and start with some of the products that I pulled that I really want to go through. Now, when I looked through my foundation drawer, there's at least 4 foundations I have very little product in it. So hopefully I can recycle those, and I'm going to start with this foundation. So this foundation, I'm going to wear my glasses through the talking of this video, or through the, you know, telling the names of this video, just so I can tell you guys the right information. Okay, so this one is the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation, and I'm in the color Natural 210. So I'm going to try to finish this. It is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. I've told you guys before. It's really, really nice. Great price. And honestly, looking in the sunlight, it's kind of hard to tell. But we're just going to kind of go with my gut instinct. And we're going to mark it like that. I see a little, I don't know if you can see that. Do you see that little dip right there? We're going to mark it like that today. And then we're just going to check every month. But my goal is to finish at least 4. Maybe that's ambitious. But I do have 4 foundations that honestly I feel like I could really go through this year. So I'm really going to focus on that because honestly I want to pick up the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation. And I feel like I have so many foundations in my collection. I need to really work on them. So that's going to be our starting point with this foundation. Like I said, it's kind of hard to tell, but that's where we're going with it. So that's my first marking for this. Excited about this project. Like I said, I do want to cycle through 22 products in 2022. That is my goal, but we're just going to start by showing you these. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one is a concealer, and it's really hard to tell on concealers. So this is the, let me read it again. This is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect, a longwear concealer and I'm in shade 110 Nude Ivory. And I am going to take the stopper out eventually, but I feel like I still have enough product in here where I don't need to take the stopper out. But once I get to where I'm scraping the sides, I definitely will take it out. But right now, we are just going to keep using it. I feel like if I don't use it soon, it's going to go bad. It's starting to have a weird smell, and I do want to finish it because I really do like this concealer. So, yeah, as far as the marking on the concealer, I'm not going to mark it because there's just no way for me to mark it. I keep my concealers flat like that, and there's just no way for me to tell. So we're just going to go with the flow on this one. I will show you the progress every month. But like I said, after I start scraping the sides of this, I definitely will take the stopper out. And I did that, last year or the year before that. And I just made me go through my concealer so much faster. So that's what we're going to do for concealer this year. I'm excited. Okay, so for primer, I'm putting in this primer. This is a holiday packaging, but it's by Tarte. And I believe it is the, let's see, this one is the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. And I'm excited because this is one of my top favorite primers. And you guys, look how much, that's all I have left. So I know I can finish this, I mean, probably mid-year, if not sooner. I mean, look at that. You can totally see through the back of it. I mean, there's not much product left. I mean, the only thing is with this, you just need a tiny, tiny bit. So it might last me a little bit longer than I'm thinking, but like at least 6 months, you know. And then I can recycle another primer in. That would be awesome. So I'm going to try to do that. That's my goal this year, is to cycle in, did I say recycle? To recycle in as many products as possible to go through my collection. My collection is getting a little out of hand. I am going to start a declutter series this year as well. So stay tuned for a declutter series. I'm excited about that. Alright, so this one, you guys, I am almost done with this. I did repurchase the full size. So this is the Hollywood Flawless Filter Highlight. I love this stuff. When I first purchased it, I was not a fan. But you just kind of have to learn how to use it. And I can totally see where I am. So I am going to go ahead and mark that. This is a really beautiful highlight. I thought I heard somebody. So I feel like I'm right at the word, or below the word filter, somewhere in there. So I feel like that's where I'm at. Possibly lower, but that's where we're going to go. Alright, so like I said, I did repurchase a full size of that because it's my favorite. And I could probably take the stopper out of this as well, but you can see, like, right now I'm actually scraping the sides of this, so it's probably not a true accurate reading of how much is left. I believe there's not much left at all because, like I said, I'm kind of scraping the sides of this. But I will take, and I can see the bottom, so we'll take the stopper out of this if I can possibly do that. I've never tried, so we'll see how that goes. So I will finish this very, very soon as well. Okay, let's see. And this is kind of like a very ambitious goal, but I just want to see what I can do with it. Alright, so this is the Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur Blush in Pinky Sky. And this is like a brand new product. But it's so pretty and I always forget to use it. I'm actually using it today, but it's just such a beautiful, like, very pretty soft pink, which is my favorite color to wear. And the reason why I feel like I could use this product, or at least, I don't think I can use it all, but hit pan on this product because it is bouncy. It's very like squishy. Like I could probably stick my finger all the way to the bottom of this. So I do feel like with that, I could definitely hit pan on this. So it may take me a year, but I definitely feel like I can hit pan on that. It's just a really soft pink. This, like I said, this is the color I'm wearing today. A little bit on my cheeks. I didn't go crazy with blush today, but that is a little bit of an ambitious goal that I've set for myself. I did put this bronzer in here. It's one of my oldest bronzers in my collection. Obviously, you know what this is. This is the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. This is just the simple original one, and I do have major pan in it. So my goal is to see how much I can use, and if I can finish it up, I will cycle in another. I have, I think, four bronzers with major pan in it that I've had forever. So that's my goal for bronzers. I would like to be able to finish at least one or two of these this year, and you know, that would be awesome. As far as, and then also foundations, I have like 4 I would like to finish. Concealers, I have 3 or 4 I'd like to finish. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to cycle through my makeup. 22, guys, 22 and 22. Alright, so this one right here is a very fragrant moisturizer, and I do like this moisturizer. It gives you a little bit of a glow, but I know I bought this from Sephora. It says Beauty Filter Cream Glow, but I do not know the brand. I have tried to look it up and I just can't find it. So I don't know the brand, and I hate talking about it because I don't know what to tell you guys. But it does give you like this soft glow. And yeah, I've had it for a while. It's very fragrant, but I would like to use this up this year and maybe cycle in another one if I can. If I can finish it, that would be awesome. Okay, I have a contour stick. You guys know how I feel about the nudie sticks. These are some of my favorite. I have blushes, I have contours, I have bronzers. They're just so good. And this one is in Bondi Bay, and I've used this one the absolute most. That's all I have left. That's it. That little nub. So we are going to try to finish. Look, I can't get any more out of this little nub. So I also have a foundation stick with maybe like this much in it. I thought about putting that one in it in this rotation, but we'll see if I can finish this one first, because I just love the way this looks on my skin. I'm actually wearing this today, and I just feel like my skin looks really healthy and nice today. That's because of that foundation. So, but this is a contour stick or a bronzer stick, and again, Bondi Bay, and I use the heck out of this. So I just want to finish the stick, guys. I just want to finish it. So I have this little mini Benefit Brow. I'm putting this in because I do have some minis I would like to kind of cycle out of my collection. And this one I love so much. It's the little mini brow. Look at that little baby brow. So I'm going to go ahead and try to use this up. This is in the color 2, which is my favorite. And then I also have a little baby Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. And this is all I have left of the pencil. Last but not least, I have this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one is almost done, and I'm like scraping the sides. So I figured I could take the stopper out soon when I can't get any more off the sides, and take the stopper out and just finish this bad boy up. And that is my goal for this. This is in the color London, which is a gorgeous, I'll show you. It's just a really pretty brownie nude color. So that's that. That is basically everything I wanted to show you that's in my project 2022. And like I said, it's going to be a rolling project, which I'm so excited about, because my goal is to finish 22 products this year. So by the end of the year, I'll have a big old basket full of makeup that I finished. That is my goal. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more Project Pan, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know, what are you planning on painting this year? Is there something that you really want to finish up? Is there, I don't know. Just let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like project painting? I love it so much. I like have an obsession with it. Like literally an obsession. I'll watch so many project paint videos and my husband will come in there and he'll be like, if I have to hear the word pan one more time, I'm going to scream. So anyway, it's hilarious. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my 2022, that's so weird to say, Project Pan. Hope everybody has a great day. I will see you guys next time. Bye. I feel like my head's been cut off this whole time. Bye.